Alright, hi guys, welcome back. Now, it's been a couple of weeks, I think, since I opened my Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA, and as you can see, I've invested £1,187, and that's up by 47 quid, 48 quid just as we speak. So yeah, up £48, up we're up 4%. Now, what have I been buying? Now, some of these shares, I'm duplicating shares. I've already got some shares in my investment ISA from last year in AJ Bell, which I'll do a separate update about. So what have we got? I mean, everything's doing quite well at the moment. Johnson & Johnson's had a bit of a pullback this week. I think that was something to do with some sort of historical case regarding talc that could have had something like asbestos in, and the courts have ruled that the evidence is allowed to be used now or heard. So I think that affected it. I'm sure I saw that come out earlier this week. So what day was this on? 22nd. Yeah, so we've had a bit of a drop there. Not that much in reality, but it's a company I'll be sticking with, and you know, if it goes down, I'll be buying more, because I think I've already got 4 or 5 shares altogether, so I was trying to build that one up. Legal & General, I bought that just after the dividend announcement, so usually you get a little bit of a drop the next day because people are rallying in to get the shares. So with me, I was just thinking I'd just wait and buy in a little bit cheaper, so that's up 11% actually. That's pretty good. Again, you can see that a lot of things here have got the F above them, meaning the fractional shares, which is great. It's been able to give me exposure to something like MasterCard to buy a quarter of a share in that. McDonald's, again, strange one because obviously it's not open in the UK. And I've heard some sort of news this week about it possibly opening. They're going to trial some social distancing malarkey in the shops. We'll find out about that. But again, expect that one to have a decent bounce when that reopens. But again, you never know with these things, so that's just speculation. Merck, just okay, it's just trading sideways at the moment. Obviously, Microsoft, 6.7% or whatever. National Grid, 5 shares in that, doing quite well, nearly 10%. PayPal, frustratingly, I was going to buy a couple of shares of PayPal, but that day, I ended up not putting all the money in because I was just thinking, is there going to be a pullback? And I'm still sort of doing that as my strategy. I'm holding money back because we just don't know. And I've learned over the past couple of years now that I'm not going to go all in. I'm going to leave quite a lot of cash on the sideline just in case. What else are we in? I mean, Pinterest, crazy. I mean, obviously I've only got like £33 in it, but in the last month, I mean, up nearly 40%. I mean, that's just crazy. Yeah, absolutely crazy. So up nearly 25% in that, and annoyingly, only 30 quid in it. Never mind. Procter & Gamble, that's down. Uber, again, Uber is up. Yeah, massively. 15% the last month, and 5% alone today. Yep, Unilever down a little bit. I've been trying to chuck a little bit of money to treasury bonds as well, because obviously if there is a second downward movement, probably better to have a little bit of exposure to those. But again, my risk appetite is quite decent for these sort of stocks and shares, because I've got money allocated in other different areas as well. So don't just copy anything I do. You know, none of this is financial advice. Speculative one, bought the WTI crude oil, and yeah, still down 4% yesterday. That was down 16%, I think. So that one didn't go too well. But again, you know, we'll check this again in a year and see what's happening. Waste management, that's an interesting one I've been looking at for a while. I was trying to buy it. I was waiting for about $97, and I did set an alert, which is another fantastic feature of this app. You can set price alerts. So actually, I'll set another one. Yeah, if it goes under $98, I'll be buying some more. So I'll set that. Yeah, so that is where we're at, guys, at the moment. That's gone up £10, £2 since we've been just making this video, which is crackers. But again, you could come back tomorrow and it could be minus 5%. So it's all not really things you should be looking at, the daily swing. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well, guys. And that's the update for this. And I was thinking of doing an update for my other investment portfolio from last year, and also my cryptocurrency portfolio as well. So we'll see how that goes, and yeah, I'll speak to you all soon.